Hello guys, welcome back again. Yesterday I did a video talking about hedging your Bitcoin and your Ether in USDT as I get to in order to prevent losing or in order to prevent falling for price drop. Okay. Yesterday Bitcoin reached an all-time high in 4 years of 19,000 dollars, okay, per coin, and Ether reached its second all-time high price of $600 plus per coin. The first time it reached an all-time high was as high as $1,000, but this time around it didn't reach that. It didn't get to that point. Now, part of the reasons that were driving the price increase, apart from some of the developments happening within the Bitcoin and Ethereum space, like the PayPal accepting, allowing US users to be able to buy cryptocurrencies on their platform, and Ether launching Ether 2.0 with over 200 and something thousand Ether being staked. Okay, now aside from that, okay, the major player in the price increase was the issue with the US election. All right, the issue with the US election. Now, the US election ended and Joe Biden was declared the winner, like I said in the previous video, but Donald Trump did not concede. Okay, but yesterday or day before yesterday, he gave go ahead for the transition committee to do their job. So, which means that to go ahead and make a transition of power from him to Joe Biden while he's battling for the election through the Supreme Court. Okay, now after that announcement, the Dow Jones, which is an indicator of how the US economy is performing, started rising up, which means that funds are moving into the US. People are investing money into the US economy. People are confident again that they can now go and invest since the political tension has been doused. Now, having said that, okay, the price of Bitcoin, I predicted that the price of Bitcoin was going to drop, and you guys should go ahead and, like, as if I was a soothsayer, I was right. The price of Bitcoin did drop from 19,000, as you can see from the chart, within the 24-hour period, from 19,000 all the way down to 17,000 within 24 hours. That is a loss $2,000. Okay, that is the price dropped by 6.4% in 24 hours, just 24 hours after the announcement. Okay, after the Dow Jones started pushing up, because I told you guys, money is not built, it's not created from tree. Money is not grown from trees. Okay, money move hand. Money already exists. Okay, it's just changing form. So during the debacle or during the political tension, money moved hand, changed form from US dollar to crypto. And now that the tension has been doused, it's now moving back to the US dollar. And you can also see with Ether, the price dropping from $600 all the way down to 520. Now, the margin, okay, well, you can compare the price, the price of Bitcoin to Ether, but you see that Ether lost 12.5%. It lost more value than Bitcoin. Okay, now for us who have been in the space, is normal. Okay, many of us are even waiting for the price to drop significantly so we can go in and buy more Bitcoin and wait for the price of Bitcoin to rise in the next 2 or 3 years again. Okay, so now to also show or to also prove that the value of Bitcoin, that people are hedging, okay, already, to also show that people are hedging, let's look at Theta. Yesterday alone, Theta did $61 billion in trading volume. Okay, Theta, people did trading volume of Theta was $61 billion. because people started seeing that there is going to be this shift, okay, this shift in, how do I put it? There's going to be this shift in the price of Bitcoin because of the Dow Jones doing well, which shows that people are currently invested in the US dollars, and the US dollars is going to be getting stronger. Okay, so with that, a lot of people are going to move their funds into Dow Jones and other investments within the US economy, while a lot of people are going to move their funds to USD Theta, okay, which means they are taking profit, but they don't want to leave the cryptocurrency market. They want to position themselves so that at any time that the price of Bitcoin decides to crumble, they are there to pick up the pieces. Okay, so they have made their profit. Okay, they can now hedge, and at the same time wait for the market to correct itself so that they can come in and pick up the pieces. Okay, which will set them up to have more profit in the future. Okay, so and also according to CoinGecko, USD Theta was number one in trading volume. Number one in trading volume. I wish I can show you this to you guys in my system, okay, but I'm using my screen recorder to record my screen. Okay, it was $61 billion, like almost double the trading volume of Bitcoin. Okay, almost double the trading volume of Bitcoin. So every single coin, Bitcoin, Ether, SRP, Litecoin, EOS, everybody was nosediving, including Bitcoin Cash. Everybody nosediving. Okay, so which shows you that, hey, cryptocurrency, yes, is here to stay, but you have to understand that it's not different money, it's not new money, it's a new form of money. So it will always keep changing form, and people will keep on moving their funds around to the asset that pays them the most. So right now, people have cashed in on their profit on Bitcoin, and also they are now looking for either hedging and waiting for the right opportunity to buy into Bitcoin or Ether, or they are moving their funds to somewhere else, either into the US economy to invest. Okay, even China invests heavily in the US economy. Why? Because US economy is a debt-driven economy. Okay, it's economy built on debt, credit. Okay, but almost everybody runs on credit, so which means that people all over the world are borrowing money, are lending money to the US economy, and the US economy is paying them well by the performance of the assets, okay, or by performance of the investment options. Okay, so guys, also I predict there's going to be a short pump. With this drop in price, there's going to be a pump, there's going to be another pump. Okay, but be careful of that pump because it's a short pump. Okay, it's a short pump, and a lot of people are going to think that it's an opportunity for them to buy. Well, you can buy, but what you have to know is that it's a short pump. Don't expect it to go higher than $19,000. Don't expect it. Okay, and guess what happens when this pump finally crashes? It might lead to FUD, which is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So you have to be very careful right now. For me, I would say get as much funds as you have available into the USD Theta space. Buy a lot of USD Theta. This is the right time to buy USD Theta so that you wait. Okay? So that you wait for the price to correct itself properly and get to the bottom price for you to participate. Okay? Anyway guys, that's it for this video. If you have questions, okay, you can ask me. More videos will be coming up on what to expect from the market as I analyze the market. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now.